So, if you want to take one of these papers.
So this is our third year doing it. Okay, it started with an idea to just give students the chance to kind of create a budget, how to budget their money in a career that they are interested in. Students are learning all the different expense items, and they're learning if they can really afford a lifestyle that they are interested in. It's a good way to practice before you're actually out there making those mistakes in real life. So
hey.
So yeah, the students are looking at a career that they actually might have an interest in and seeing what that career can buy them. It's a good idea to do something like this before you choose a career, because you're going to see what your lifestyle choices are going to be around that career. The feedback seems very positive. I mean, the students, the day before the fair, in one of my classes, I said the juniors won't be in class tomorrow because they have the financial reality fair. The seniors were like, "Oh my gosh, that was so much fun. We had so much fun doing that." So I think for the most part, students really do enjoy the fair, for one, because it's kind of fun. It's hands-on. And secondly, they really do kind of learn what life is really, how expensive life truly is.
Get the channel 2 guy. Yeah, you gotta get the channel 2 guy.